Next up is Victoria Risk with, if I understand correctly, a guessing game.
Right. It's not exactly a guessing game because we don't know the right answer, so we can't tell you if you're correct or not. I got it. I get 5 minutes total, starting now. So we have a little project. We're trying to crowdsource some estimates of the global DNS query volume. The reason for wanting this is to be able to produce some slides, some graphical slides for a less technical audience that show the relative size of all of the queries to resolvers, slightly smaller size of all the queries to authoritative, slightly smaller volume of all the queries to TLDs, and a presumably much smaller volume of all the queries to the root. Nobody really knows the answer, but we know that everybody in this room has both some data and some opinions. And so we couldn't think of a better place to try to crowdsource an estimate. And so we have a tiny little poll in Google Doc saying, what do you think these numbers are? And then at the end, the most important question is, are you aware of any public sources of data that we could use to generate a even more accurate number? This is the whole project. The target audience is really government regulatory people involved in ICANN. I'm sure you all think that you know better than they do. And honestly, it's super helpful just to have an orders of magnitude idea of what is the relative size of these query volumes. I can't answer any questions about this. If you have any, put it in the workshop chat channel. This is really a presentation I'm doing for Jeff Osborne, and he's on the channel, and he will attempt to answer any questions. You can take your next 2 minutes to answer the survey.
You have your slides, so if you want to show the second slide, now you have a chance. I don't know, what's your plan?
Okay. I've posted the link.
Thank you.